We did that tonight. We did that tonight. So we're about to go over Philly on a train. I haven't been on a train for so long. So this is the train to I'm with Ferry Station. If you're familiar with Ferry Station in Camden, and then we're about to go over Philly. I'm gonna just take y'all along. All right.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound.
I gotta go to Hobby Lobby to go get my son some things for his Christmas tree. I'm gonna surprise him with his Christmas tree. And I'm gonna just decorate it. I'm not gonna decorate my whole house, but I am going to decorate his room. I don't want to do all that this year, so I'm gonna just go into Hobby Lobby, see what I can find, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. The colors I'm mainly looking for is gold and blue. The tree is green, of course, but it has multi-lights, and I was gonna do like blue and gold. So come on, I'll just take you on the Hobby Lobby with me. This is what I'm looking for here, but I want them in big, the bigger ones, and they sold out everywhere. He want to sit here and leave Xfinity Live because they losing. They losing. Come on, man. This is crazy. The Cowboys is going to win this game. What did I say? I believe in my Cowboys. And he want to leave because he mad. Look at him. Eagles fan mad. Look at him. Oh. Are y'all flying away tonight?
I guess you'll be walking back home.
He gonna make me walk home.
Good luck.
What you say?
You gonna walk home.
I gotta walk home?
Walk your ass to Jersey.
Oh! All because...
If they got the camera on,
all because he said, hey, fly. Y'all ain't flying tonight, baby.
I should get that from my face.
Tonight, baby. You sad? Where you at? Little bitch is sad. Why you sad? Where you at? Y'all not flying away. He want to leave the game. How you going to leave the game? I ain't fucking know. Y'all losing tonight, baby. Drop me off in Dallas.
No, get the walking. Get out and walk.
He want to kick me out the car because we winning. Just drop me off at Dallas.
No. Go,
I wanna,
go.
I want to go to Dallas.
Go. Goodbye.
Yeah, take me to the airport or just drive me.
No, you can start walking.
We
right
can
now.
take a road trip.
Nope, road trip my ass. You can start walking.
Come on, we need to go.
No.
They are such bullies, right? They bullies, and they get mad when they lose a game. Like this one.
Hey, we already beat you already.
Listen. Drop me off at Dallas. That's all I'm saying.
Get the walk in now.
Eagles fans are so aggressive. They mean, they bullies, and they can't take that when they lose. They sore losers. Just admit it. When they lose, they just sore losers. They want to fight everybody. They want to get mad at everybody. This don't make no sense. I just want him to drop me off at Dallas. Listen, my man is mad because the Eagles lost tonight. You know Dallas was going to win. You know the Cowboys was going to win tonight. Like, seriously. He really mad and upset. But you know what? Go Dallas. Go Dallas. Go. We did that tonight.